Selena Gomez. Her full name is Selena Marie Gomez. She is an American actress and singer who won legions of young fans as the winsome star of the Disney television series Wizard of Waverly Place 2007 to 2012 and as a pop vocalist. She was born on July 22nd in 1992 in Grand Prairie, Texas, US. Gomez, who was named after the popular Tejano singer Selena Quintanilla Perez, was raised in suburban Dallas. Inspired by her mother, an amateur actress, Gomez tried out for a role on the PBS children television series Barney and Friends, and as a result appeared regularly on the program in 2002 to 2004. After making her big screen debut in the family movie Spy Kids 3 Dr. Game Over 2003, she auditioned for the Disney Channel, which eventually led to a guest spot on the TV series The Sweet Life of Jack and Cody. In 2007, Gomez was cast as Alex Russo, a mischievous tomboy with magical powers, on a new Disney sitcom Wizard of Waverly Place. The show, for which she also sang the theme song, became an instant hit among the Britain set, and she earned favorable comparison to the channel's leading ingenue Miley Cyrus. While continuing to star in Wizard of Waverly Place, Gomez acted in various twin-oriented videos and TV movies, and provided a voice for the animated feature Horton Hears a Who 2008. She then landed lead roles in the theatrical film Romana and Bejas in 2010, which was based on a children's novel by Beverly Cleary, and the romantic comedy Monte Carlo in 2011. Gomez departed from her family-friendly image with a role as a college student seeking adventure in Florida in the Lurid Spring Breakers in 2012. She then portrayed the girlfriend of a college student who is killed in a shooting on campus in the drama Lace in 2014, and the sorority sisters in Neighbors 2, Sorority Rising in 2016. Gomez also voiced a character in the animated Hotel Transylvania in 2012, and its sequels 2015 and 2018. In 2019, she appeared in Jim Jarmusch's zombie movie The Dead Don't Die and in Woody Allen's A Rainy Day in New York. Gomez ventured into music as the frontwoman of Selena Gomez and The Scene, an electronics-influenced pop band that produced several dance hits. The group released the albums Kiss and Tell in 2009, A Year Without Rain in 2010, and When the Sun Goes Down in 2011 before announcing its separation in 2012. Gomez then forged a solo career with Stars Dance in 2013, which featured the seductive single Come and Get It. Subsequent solo albums included Revival in 2015 and Rare in 2020, the latter of which yielded the hit ballad Lose You to Love Me. As Gomez transitioned into adulthood, her fame was undoubtedly magnified by a romantic relationship with pop singer Justin Bieber. She was also known for her philanthropic work, much of it accomplished through UNICEF, which in 2009 appointed her a Goodwill Ambassador. In 2015, Gomez revealed that she had been diagnosed with lupus. As a result of complication for the disease, she had a kidney transplant in 2017. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and please stay with us. Thank you very much.